Hello everyone, Windroid here and welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to take a look at the new Oppo A58 4G, which is a 4G variant of the Oppo A58 5G that was launched last year. How does this phone compare to its 5G sibling and is it worth buying? Let's find out. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. Let's dive right in. The Oppo A58 4G has a similar design to the Oppo A58 5G, but there are some noticeable differences in the display and the chipset. The Oppo A58 4G has a larger and sharper 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display with a punch hole for the selfie camera, while the Oppo A58 5G has a smaller and lower resolution 6.56-inch HD Plus display with a notch. The Oppo A58 4G also has a higher 180Hz touch sampling rate and a brighter panel with 100% coverage of DCI, P3 and sRGB. This means that you can enjoy a more immersive and vivid viewing experience on the Oppo A58 4G. As for the chipset, this is a less exciting change. The Dimensity 700 is swapped out for a Helio G85. This means that you will lose the 5G connectivity, but you will still get decent performance for your daily tasks and gaming. The Oppo A58 4G comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which is enough for most users. The camera department is also similar, but not identical. The Oppo A58 4G has a 50-megapixel rear camera with an f1.8 lens, which can capture detailed and clear photos in various lighting conditions. The second circle houses a 2-megapixel depth sensor, which can help you create portrait shots with blurred backgrounds. The selfie camera is an 8-megapixel sensor with an f2.0 lens, which can take decent selfies and video calls. The battery life is another strong point of the Oppo A58 4G. It has a massive 5000 mAh battery with 33W SuperVOOC charging, which can charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes. This means that you can use your phone for longer without worrying about running out of juice. Other features that are worth mentioning include the microSD slot, the 3.5mm headphone jack, the stereo speakers, the fingerprint reader on the side, and the IPX4 rating for water splash resistance. The Oppo A58 4G is on sale for around $165 and it comes in two colors, dazzling green and glowing black. So, what do you think of the Oppo A58 4G? Is it a good deal or a bad deal? Let us know in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more smartphone news and reviews. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.